हेलो एवरीवन, ओम नमः शिवाय। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है, सो आई होप यू स्टिक टिल द एंड। एंड ये वीडियो मेरे दिल के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू फाइनली रिवील मेरा न्यू ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट। राइट, इट इज़ लाइक द ओनली ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट जो जब से मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी तब से मेरा ड्रीम था। और राइट, आई रिमेंबर लाइक 1.5 year बैक और 2 years बैक मे बी वन नाइट लाइक मैं जग रही थी एंड रात का 1:30-2 बज रहा था। आई वॉज लाइक स्क्रोलिंग एंड आई हैड दिस वन गर्ल आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अबाउट लाइक लेटर इन द वीडियो। तो आई वॉज स्क्रोलिंग हर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट एंड शी इंस्पायर्स मी अ लॉट, लाइक अ लॉट, राइट। सो आई वॉज जस्ट mesmerized बाई हर कॉन्टेंट एंड द वर्क शी इज़ डूइंग। जब मैं उसका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट देख रही थी एंड उसका काम देख रही थी, व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग ऑन हर इंस्टाग्राम, हाउ शी इज़ चेंजिंग her client's life, I was so deeply got connected with the idea. And that very moment मैंने अपना इंस्टाग्राम बंद करा, मैंने अपना फ़ोन ऐसे टर्न डाउन करके रख दिया बेड पर एंड आई स्टार्टेड जस्ट थिंकिंग कि one day I also wanted to do this and have my own project like this. And वो आई डोंट नो, कहते हैं ना जब यूनिवर्स चीज़ें अलाइन करते हैं अपने आप दिमाग में आइडियाज़ आने शुरू होते हैं। सो मैं बस लाइक 2-2:15 बजे जब मैंने फ़ोन ऐसे उल्टा करके रखा, आई वॉज जस्ट सेइंग कि मैं भी चाहती हूँ एक दिन मैं भी ऐसा कुछ करूँ। एंड दैट मोमेंट आई गॉट द नेम फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट। उसी समय लाइक लिटरली इट डिड नॉट इवन टुक मी 5 minutes आफ्टर आई सेड दिस थिंग कि वन डे आई ऑल्सो वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस। बस मैंने अपने दिमाग से बोला एंड आई गॉट द नेम कि उस प्रोजेक्ट का नेम क्या होगा। एंड आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड कि इतनी जल्दी मुझे पता कैसे चल गया कि मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट को क्या नाम रखना चाहती हूँ, क्या होगा एंड ऑल दैट। बट एज आई सेड, it took me like good amount of time to actually bring it to my 3D. And as you all know that I'm a healer, coach and a big fan of manifestation. I knew that if I can think about it, I can do it. If I can dream about it, I can do it. I can bring it to reality as well. But कहते हैं ना कि उस ड्रीम तक पहुंचने के लिए जो जर्नी होती है, एक ऐसी जर्नी जिसमें यू हैव टू लर्न योर ओन लर्निंग्स, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू डिफरेंट थिंग्स सो दैट जो भी आपका ड्रीम है वहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते यू बिकम प्रिपेयर्ड। ठीक है, आपका माइंडसेट इतना ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर कर देता है यूनिवर्स कि जब आप उस चीज़ को फाइनली करो, फाइनली मैनिफेस्ट हो आपके लिए, यू आर रेडी एट दैट टाइम। येस, मुझे नाम मिल गया था, मुझे पता चल गया था कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे डिज़ायर मिल गया था मेरा, व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू। बट उस चीज़ के लिए मैं शायद उस टाइम पर उतनी ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर नहीं थी जितनी मैं आज हूँ। सो येस, आई टुक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम and it was like a hell of a ride for me because so many things were going on like in these 2 years with my life. Like it was like a whole roller coaster but I'm glad that I endured the journey. I'm glad that I did not give up in the mid of the journey and finally I'm here. All right, I've always wanted to make this project the best of the best, the best. I wanted that when someone hear about this project, they get blown away. They were like, this is amazing, right? And now when it has actually, like, I have already posted about it on my Instagram, so agar aap Instagram pe ho, you already know about it. When I was posting the stories, when I was talking about it on the stories, I was so excited, but at the same time वो बहुत normal feel हो रहा था. Why? Because ये reality मैं अपने दिमाग में last 2 years से जी रही थी उस चीज़ को कि ऐसा होगा, मैं ये करूँगी, वो होगा. So literally I have lived this reality for a good amount of time. दो struggles आए, तो मुझे confusion हुई कि मुझे यहाँ जाना चाहिए, वहाँ जाना चाहिए. It takes, जब भी हम कोई न्यू प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं, it takes so much behind the scene, like so much कि कौन सा ऐप होगा, कौन सा सिस्टम हम यूज़ करेंगे, क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे बेस्ट देना है, क्या वीडियोज़ होगी. There are so many things and I hope if content creators are watching this, they can totally relate with this because जो ऑडियंस तक पहुँचता है, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट बट द प्रोसेस इज हेल ऑफ अ राइड फॉर द क्रिएटर. सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट ईच एंड एवरी क्रिएटर जो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स लेकर आते हैं, न्यू लॉन्चेस लेकर आते हैं एवरी नाउ एंड देन बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टेक्स. सो आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू फॉर डूइंग योर वर्क. So with that much being said, let me first tell you कि वो है क्या, then I'm going to tell you why I created this. Alright, so introducing my Tap Academy. Alright, I cannot tell you what I'm feeling right now. So Tap Academy is going to be an academy for the women. Alright, exclusively for all the women out there. Right. So in my Tap Academy, we as a women's community, we are going to get healed, we are going to grow, we are majorly going to work on two things. First, we are going to heal, alright, because that is like the most important thing that I think everyone needs. Everyone needs. Because only when we are healed, we are going to get the best outcomes in our life. So first thing that we are majorly going to focus on is healing. Alright. Now healing of your money blocks. So majorly we are going to heal ourselves. Alright. Now in healing, I'm going to help you with your abundance, with your money mindset. Right. So healing your money blocks, healing your limiting beliefs really around money. And second is we are going to build a abundant mindset. Alright, so basically the agenda of this academy is going to be helping you in overcoming your limiting beliefs, your blocks around money, so that you can attract wealth in your life. Alright, this is the major thing. So if you are a girl and you want to manifest wealth out of thin air and you want to live a luxurious life, you are going to be at the right place if you join Tap Academy. Now let me tell you why I've created this academy. So to know about my why, we have to time travel back in 2021 when I was going through my own healing journey, not knowing that it is going to take so much beautiful shape in the future. So when I started 2021, I was like a clueless kid who know nothing about healing. I was the one जिसको इस शब्द के बारे में भी इतना पता नहीं था, right? Because it is never spoken around like it is right now. So 2021 में इतना ज़्यादा healing को लेकर craze नहीं था. So I was like, don't know ये क्या हो रहा है. The only thing that I remember that I was coming out of a relationship being all depressed, complaint kind of a girl, that why it is happening to her. Yeah, so I was in my depression era at that time, because it is so hard for me to get detached from people at that point of time when I got into a relationship. Not now, I'm a very detached person now, thanks to God, right? So at that time I did not knew, and being in that depression kind of a mood, I did not know कि किसके पास जाऊँ, कौन से courses या कौन से videos या क्या करूँ. I had literally no idea. I was like a clueless child जो किसी ऐसे road पर खड़ा है, इसको आगे का रास्ता नहीं पता है, like completely clueless कि कौन से direction में जाना. I did not knew that. So thanks to YouTube, that YouTube उस समय भी था, right? So I went on YouTube because I had no one to talk about this. I cannot talk to my parents because they already love me way too much. They will get worried about me. I had no friends. The best or the worst you call it. I had no friends. I had no nothing else. Like I had no one to talk about this. That what is going on with me, because I knew firstly I do not have anyone. Secondly, if somehow I get this courage to talk about this someone, they are going to call me crazy. They're like, you are thinking too much. हम इंडिया में ये क्या क्या डालते थे ना बातें, तो ज़्यादा सोच रहे कम सोचना शुरू करते, as if it was in my hand, right? So खैर उस टाइम पर तो मेरी जो फ्रेंडशिप थी वो YouTube से हो गई थी. Everything that I was feeling inside I used to type on YouTube and randomly watch a video. कभी कनेक्ट हो पाती थी, कभी कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाती थी. जो क्वेश्चन होता था उसका सॉल्यूशन कभी नहीं मिला. At that time YouTube videos, yes, used to give me sympathy and used to tell me that I'm not the only one who was going through this. That girl, that boy has already gone through it. But the fun fact was कि मैं videos पर जाती थी to find a solution. Videos को देखती थी and videos के बाहर आती थी without a solution. तो जहाँ खड़े होकर मैं वीडियो देख रही होती थी, at the end of the video भी मैं वहीं खड़ी होती थी. So it was not making sense to me. But somehow भोलेनाथ की वजह से, भोलेनाथ ने help की, you know, अपनी blessing से, I finally like somehow because of my studies or something or the other, depression के बाहर तो आ गई. But that does not mean that I was happy inside and everything was suddenly fine. तो depression से बाहर आ गई थी, but वो sense, वो purpose, वो happiness, there was nothing like that. It was like nil, without any emotions. So my normal life starts like doing graduation, giving exams and all of that. But one thing I knew that this cannot go longer because I wasn't feeling any single thing. I was like, what the hell? This was not me. I used to feel emotions on a deeper level because I'm connected to moon, right? So I was like, this cannot go on. Then I started attending webinars thanks to all the ads that are running on Instagram. And then I finally decided to have a coach to like finally like go into the depth of healing, right? So I got my coach, I got myself healed. I met hundreds of women through my one-on-one sessions, helping them heal, coming out of a toxic relationship, right? And getting jobs, getting government jobs, cracking exams and all of these things basically. So I have helped 150 plus women by now through my one-on-one sessions, helping them in getting the results that they want in their life and begin their healing journey, and finally feeling the love that they want to feel inside of themselves. And for that love, उन्हें किसी और की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now they're feeling love because they love themselves, not because someone is going to come and love them. That was like a major transformation, and I've seen crazy transformation in my client's life. अब तक like 2 दिन में उनको ऐसे results मिले, I was myself blown away. I'm like, it took me 2.5 years to get the results, and when I helped them, it's like boom. I gave them the session and they're feeling like wow. So it was amazing to see all the transformation that I've created in one-to-one. But एक शिकायत थी जो सारी women's को थी, whether Indian, whether international. Yes, I have international clients too. Alright, thanks to social media obviously. तो पहली शिकायत थी वो थी that they were feeling alone in the journey. Every single women जिसके साथ मैंने आज तक डील किया है, कोच किया है, they all feel like they are alone in this journey. उनको लगता था कि वो अकेली है, उनके साथ कोई नहीं है. They had no one to talk about it. You know, like I was there, but मुझसे one-on-one में कितनी ही देर बात करोगे, right? So उनका हमेशा ये था कि आशी हम लोग को लगता है that we are alone. दो हम सबको पता है कि हम alone नहीं है, but till the time we have someone जिससे हम बात कर सके without getting judged, वो big thing है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ये थी. सेकंड प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि दूसरी प्रॉब्लम जो एडिशनल प्रॉब्लम एंड द मेजर प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगी वाज दैट लैक मेंटालिटी. चाहे इंडियन वुमेन हो चाहे इंटरनेशनल हो, डज नॉट मैटर. जो मेन हमेशा सब लोग का रहता था कि उनका माइंडसेट मनी को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा बेकार था. थैंक्स टू द सोसाइटी, थैंक्स टू द जेनेटिक्स एंड द पीपल अराउंड अस जो keep telling us that money making is hard, women cannot earn money, they cannot live on their own and blah blah blah. We all have heard about this. तो ये दो मेजर चीज़ें थी जो मुझे लगी कि I should cater to, and यही रीज़न था ये टैप एकेडमी फॉर्म करने का. This was my why. I completely honestly understand every woman out there because somewhere back in the time I was there too. But because I was there, I do not want any other women to feel alone in this journey. I do not want you to feel like you are the only one who is struggling, who is going through this alone and having no one to talk about it. I'm tired to see you like that. So this is like the major reason that I want to form a community where girls are inspiring each other, helping each other out, listening to each other, so that they know at least, if not their parents, if not their siblings, if not their partner, at least they have a place where they can open up and talk about things from an open mindset, without thinking about it that they will get judged or they will just getting told to just shut up and don't think about it. A place where you will feel safe, secure to open up and talk about your struggles. Right. And secondly, that is going to be like a major shift that all the women out there need is having an abundance mindset. An abundant mindset where you know so deeply that money can be easily earned. Where there is a place where you will get taught about money. You will attract money. You will become that person जिसके पास पैसा अपने आप आता है. You do not have to work so hard to get money. We are women, we are divine feminine, we attract things literally out of thin air. We do not have to work so damn hard like masculine energy. We want to be in our feminine, divine feminine energy. So you are going to get all the knowledge about money one place at a time. So basically this academy is going to change your life. You are going to get the acceptance, you are going to get the knowledge, you are going to earn money, you are going to get healed, like so many things. There are so many things that you are going to learn. So if any of this excites you, if any of this feels like that you feel a connection towards me and you like my energy, you want to connect with me on a personal level and want to become a part of this exclusive women's community, I welcome you to this academy. Why Tap Academy? Because we are going to use mostly our EFT tapping to get healed. So this is the name that I got on that night. ठीक है, तो ये वो नाम है जब मुझे 2 साल पहले आया था, जब मैंने ये इंटेंशन सेट करी थी, ये डिजायर यूनिवर्स को बताई थी that I want to form something like this. Right? ये नाम मैंने अभी नहीं सोचा है, लिटरली ये नाम तब आया था मेरे दिमाग में, and the only thing जो मैं 2 साल में नहीं भूली is that this name. तो नाम रहेगा टैप अकेडमी. I welcome you all the women in this community. All the details are going to be on the screen, and if you want to join in, if you are dedicated, if you want to grow in life, if you want to become abundant and live a luxurious life and have dreams and want to achieve them, this community is for you. Alright, so to join this community, the link is going to be in the description box. So if you are ready to be a part of this community, I am conducting a free webinar for you all, so that before even entering this academy, you can feel the magic of healing, you can feel the magic of the collective women's energy of the divine feminine. So I welcome you all to a free masterclass. To register yourself, the link is going to be in the description box. All other information about this Tap Academy and what all you can get in this academy is going to be revealed in the master class. So अगर और जानना है community के बारे में and जानना है कि what exactly you are going to get in this, please come to my master class and register for it. The master class is going to be on Monday at 7 p.m. No, sorry, 7:30 p.m. So I'm going to see you there. Please, I hope to see you there. If you are a woman, if you want to grow in life, if you want to become someone or become successful, become abundant, this community is right here for you. If you have any queries, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my masterclass.